guys, welcome back to Be Huma. Today it's going to be a really interesting video. I'm pretty sure that you've already seen what we're going to do. So I am so excited to share this with you guys. Wherein I'm going to show you a beautiful store that I've discovered which provides amazing clothes that are branded at amazing prices. Store that I've discovered is Style Pot. I'm going to leave all the details, the location and every single thing down below. To be honest, I've got all these products 1 month ahead, but they always have discounts going on. I'm also going to leave a plug card of the pricing of these clothes. This was shopped like a month ago, I'm not gonna lie, but these were amazing finds that I've got in Hyderabad. And let's get started. So let me show how many bags. So there's one full bag, there's two full bags, and wait a second, there's a 3 full bags. So it's going to be a long video and there's going to be a part 2 as well. So without further ado, let's get started with the haul. Okay, this video is divided into 3 parts. Number 1 is the store. Number 2 are like dresses and every single thing of my size and things like that. And number 3 are dresses for people who are taller, because I don't think that's been addressed, because I am 5'2" and my sister is 6. So we bought a lot of stuff, so I really wanted to show the entire variety. So this is how the store looks. It's a huge store. It has amazing variety. It has tops, dresses, dungarees, kaftans, all of that. If I'm not mistaken, when I've shopped, these tops were on an offer, so I've got a majority of them at 200. They also have clothes starting at $100, which is amazing. I'm gonna show all of them in the video as well. And the long dresses start around 500 or 600, and the midi dresses, the dresses which come until your knee, they cost you around like 350 to 400 depending on the design and pattern that you choose. And trust me when I say they have variety, they have variety. It's a 2-flooring store. On the bottom you have all the tops in small, medium, large, and in middle you have all these dresses going on, and on the top you have all the skirts, jeanses, in a little bit of Indian wear in regards to like kurtis and things like that, and 100 rupees clothes. Okay, so starting off with the haul, which is the most interesting part. The first thing that I'm going to show you are like dresses, and the first thing that I've bought is in my size. I mean the 5.2 kind of PT size, is this beautiful dress which I'm wearing. It is from Forever 21. It has a beautiful neckline. You can wear it like a dress or wear it like an off-shoulder like I'm currently wearing. It looks beautiful. It sits exactly above my knee. The next jumpsuit that I'm going to show you is again by Forever 21. It's this beautiful grey color, floral print. It's like a proper jumpsuit with like shirt, as you guys can see here. It has a beautiful neckline. It has a very pretty neckline. It really flatters. I think jumpsuits really flatter my shape, because I am heavy on the top and then heavy on the bottom, and my waist is little cinched. I think it's an hourglass. So I really love the way this looks on me. It makes me look taller, and I really love the color. Plus, not to forget, the back. It's beautiful. It's an open back. It fits on the top like this with the clap, and you also have few ties that you can tie around, and looks amazing. That's it. Okay, so the next thing is, I believe I just got 2 dresses, and the rest dresses are of my sisters, which I'll be showing in part 2. But let's quickly jump to the tops now. So the first thing is like an Indian kind of top. This is again by Beyond Vintage. I'm not sure on the brand, but never mind. It's a really beautiful, I don't know how do you, the lighting will go a little on off, but it's a really beautiful cream and pink kind of top. You can wear this as a throw. It looks beautiful. The next one that I've got is this beautiful, again, net top. Never have enough of nets, and this is like a beautiful top which I found. Again, if I'm not mistaken, this is from Only. Yeah, you heard it right. This is from Only, and it's full sleeves, high neck. Wear this under a skirt and with like black stockings and heels, and you are gonna look amazing. The reason why I really like this top is that it has cats and dogs. and it looks so cute. It has this loose paperback fit. I actually need to get it a little altered. I want a little tight feeling on the top and the bottom. One again is one of my favorite because of the way it looks on me, number one, and the fabric. And again, this is from Forever 21 again. So this is how it looks. You might not like it the moment you see it, but the moment you wear it, it looks amazing. It's like a razor back tank top, but doesn't have the feel of that. It has a small pocket as well in the front, which I really like. Next top that I've got is it's a little wrinkled, so please don't mind. It is again from it's from the Fix. I'm not sure on the brand, but this is like this off-shoulder, beautiful pink top. It has buttons in the front. It's very cute. You can wear it like a top, or you can wear it off shoulder. Perfectly fits me, and I finally found this satinish, like looks like lingerie but looks amazing when you just wear it out, kind of top in this beautiful color. The fabric is so soft, so amazing. The next top that I've got is this beautiful white top, which I really like. Again, the lighting is gonna go a little off. So this is how it looks. It is like, again, tank top. It has net in the front, the upper body, and it flows down into this breathable fabric on the bottom. So this is the top which every Meesho has. This is the top which every girl who likes to shop online thinks to buy but never ends up buying because it might look a little cheap. But then I saw this, I thought, let me just give it a try, but then I actually tried it out, and I'm in love with it. I really love. This is like this beautiful net top. It has crochet details in the front, and it goes into these net layers. I really like the color combination, though it's not that fascinating, as you can see, but I really love the way it fits on me, especially the neckline looks beautiful. So this is from Forever 21. It's this beautiful one shoulder peplum top. I'm really sorry, it's a little dirty because it's all fumbled. It's from Forever 21, but I really like the way it looks. I mean, the color, I've never worn something like this, so this is like a small preview of how it's going to look. So I'll just turn my hair, and this is how it's going to look. I really like it. The next top that I've got is this beautiful blush pink kind of top. Can you believe this is for $100? The next two are skirts. I bought this skirt, okay. This is from Cover Story. It's like a very midi skirt. Remember the black top which I have shown you? I'm gonna wear and pair it up with this one. Can you guess how much is this for? $100. Can you imagine? $100. And the last skirt that I've got is it's in the brown category. It's like a ruffle on the bottom skirt. Sorry, I was showing it ulta. It's ruffle like this, like if you can see the pattern going on, you can wear this in gazillion things. It's a steal. So that was this particular top which I really like. And with that, it's a wrap. Thank you so much for tuning in. There's going to be part 2 coming next week, wherein I'm going to show you longer dresses, what my sister bought, and all other more tops which I got for like $100, like for the daily wear, normal t-shirts and things like that. And if you have any other video requests, please do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do that for you guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you dislike it, hit the dislike button so that I know what kind of content you guys like, and I would create that for you. And if you have any other video requests or suggestions, please do leave in the comment section below, and I would love to do that for you. Until then, take care of your health, and see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.